All right, we're back here. Gotham Sounds coverage of NAB 2025. I'm here with Yvonne from
Hi.
Point Source. How are
Morning.
you?
Very good, thank you.
Thanks
Thanks
for
for
being.
showing up here.
Yeah, thanks for being here with us. I always love it when manufacturers have their own microphones, so we can highlight your
I am
products.
wearing the Go9 WD headset. Yes.
There we go. Perfect.
Great.
So Point Source, I know we got this new one right here, but let's just talk a little bit about everything that you've got going on over here.
Yeah, so Embrace is one of the product lines that is an innovation for us. We have actually 2 patents on it. And it started off as a product very dedicated to theater applications. And then it's been kind of growing in popularity for all types of live sound and studio recording. And so for each type of applications, there's a different product element that's customized for that application. And then today at the NAB show, we're showing the newest EO7 mic. So this one is really designed for content creators, and it's got a 3.5 millimeter connector. Very cool way in that you can mount the lavalier on your ear. We call it an on-ear lavalier. This is the connector, and then a close-up of the mic here.
So that would be as if you wanted to plug into like a DJI
correct.
or
Any 2.4 gigahertz wireless system will work on here. And then you have the option to also buy additional accessories if you wanted to change the color of the mic. Typically, we recommend matching it to hair color. So it's a little bit different than some of these longer booms where people are trying to blend it to the skin tone. But here, like if I had this on ear, you would not even see it because it blends with my hair color. Now, you can also change the color of it by simply removing the mic from the mount. Let's say we want it to make it beige. You just trench the mic right into the mount. And so we do manufacture both of these. And like I said, the patent is on the microphone itself. And then you have these caps that also act as windscreens. So now you've just changed your black mic to a beige mic.
Yeah. And that just tucks right in behind your ear.
Exactly, right. So that tucks right behind the earlobe for a secure fit. And it's kind of, it's counterintuitive because it's so light, you would think it would fly off, but that's actually what makes it so stable on ear. Okay. Then we have a series of different accessories that go with that.
And so you've got like an additional windscreen if it's even windier outside.
Correct. And then, it's just simply mounts on the ear. And as I'm showing there, it tucks right behind the ear, and it's pretty much locked in. So it's great if you're moving a lot, like you're doing videos for yoga or sports. We've even had people do cartwheels down the show aisle.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and it stayed on, so it's really a great thing. So we are launching this as a preview here at NAB, but product will be shipping in May.
And is this the same capsule as the previous Embrace line, or is it slightly?
No, this is a different capsule. You can see it's slightly different. These are designed for more of the professional wireless systems like Shure, Sennheiser, and they do perform a little bit differently. These both also have waterproof, or IP57 waterproof rated.
Oh, okay.
So slightly different application and feature set.
Got it. Okay, well let's move on over here because I know Peter's excited about to push some buttons, as he said. But yeah, let's talk about what we got happening here.
We have also our series of wearable in-ear headsets. So this has been another very popular category for us because of how lightweight it is. So instead of using like heavy earmuffs for noise isolation, you can use in-ears. You can have our dedicated in-ears, but you can also swap these out by simply unpulling, detaching the MX from the MX CX connector and reattaching your own in-ear monitors. So we have a lot of folks that are really using it for that application. So we have a CMI5, which is a condenser element, and then one that's a CMI3. It's a dynamic element. Okay, and then everything comes in a custom headset case.
Nice. And then what does this button do?
Yeah, this is a push-to-talk adapter. So for folks that are using a comms and a Motorola radio, for example, instead of having to switch 2 headsets or have 2 systems, it basically sums them together so that you can just press the push to talk to use your radio, and then when you depress it, you're on comms. So one headset can work for both systems.
Ah, I see.
Makes things a little bit cleaner, few less cables to have to worry about.
So I will say, you know, if anybody has questions, please leave them in the chat. Peter, if you have questions, as you sometimes do, please do. But you know, what do you think that people should know about Point Source? Like, if there's one thing that you think people should know, besides that you offer, you know, great products and microphone, what do you really specialize in?
Yeah, so our focus is largely on body-worn headsets and microphones. So different from handhelds or you know, podium mics. There's a higher bar for the type of product that we do because it not only has to sound great, it has to feel great. It has to be comfortable as well and aesthetically appeasing because most of the time it's on the face, it's on camera. And so that's why we really dedicate ourselves to building out this category. And you see so many variations because everybody is different. Every application requires a different tool.
Yeah.
Right. So.
And I like, it seems like you guys also really focus on flexibility, you know, that you have the switch kit that you were very, you have a microphone that has 2 elements on the end.
Yes.
Which I'm not sure where that went, but that's, oh, I see it over there.
Is that all the way over there?
Yeah, it's on the white headset. I can get it.
Let's grab it.
Yeah, let's grab it. But bring it back over here if you don't mind.
Good, nice to see you. All right, so this is our CX2 headset. We call it the hybrid headset because it has both an omni and a cardioid element to it. So if you are using a live PA, you can be on the omni and then use the cardioid for the broadcast stream.
It's, yeah, the idea. Well, I love that it's, you've got both, so you can pick which one is, which one sounds better.
Right.
But also, like, you have a backup. So if something happens, you actually have 2 mics on somebody at any given time.
Yeah. And then our headsets, you can switch the direction in which you want to wear them. So like this one is facing left. If you want to switch it to the right, you just turn it over. And then your head frames. You don't have to detach anything. It's very simple. So if you have like several people, you want to make sure that the mic is on the opposite side of the speakers.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So Kyle wants to know, what's the dB range on the mics in case of like people yelling or singing?
Our highest goes up to 142 max SPO.
Got it. Yeah. Great. And do you have different sensitivity ratings and different mics?
We have high sensitivity, low sensitivity, and then our G09 is kind of right in between there. It's got the widest dynamic range, highest max SPO and higher sensitivity. Wow. So, yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Well, look, I think we got what we needed. I really appreciate you taking the time to talk to us and talk to the people online.
Absolute pleasure.
Yeah,
thank you very much.
All right, thank you for watching. We'll be back with more coverage from NAB 2025. Go to gothamsound.tv for more videos like this. Follow us on any social media and email us at info@gothamsound.com. Thanks so much.